What's up everybody, it's Matt from TDM Style here. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome to a very special video, which, I mean, if you read the title, you already know what it is. That's right, welcome to the official, well, I mean, other people are doing it too, so it's not really. This is my official scent tier list for the Lockharts Any Scent, Any Hold event that's going on right now. So if you're unfamiliar with Any Scent, Any Hold, this is an event that the Lockharts do every year. Basically, it started on Thanksgiving and it's running up through this Sunday, December 5th. And there are 12 different holds, so 12 different, pomades and tonics and stuff that you can choose from, and 15 different scents. So you can mix and match and do whatever you want. So Steve was kind enough to send me this gigantic box of all 15 scents for us to nose into. Oh god, that box is very loud. So we're gonna have a little sniff of each one, and we're gonna do this tier list justice. I'm even doing it properly. I've got some coffee beans in this little guy to cleanse my nose palate. Is it just, I mean, I guess it's just the palate, since the nose and your mouth are connected. Whatever, let's get started because we got 15 cents to get through. Also, just in case you're wondering why some of the scent name tiles are in all caps, is because those scent names are fucking metal. Anyway, we're gonna start out with unscented, which I I like that Steve wrote "fuck yeah" on the back of this one. So, first one in. I mean, it doesn't smell like anything, it's unscented. Well, I mean, it smells like the product itself. But yeah, so y'all know me, I like dim scents in my hair products. So, I mean, unscented, I'm not gonna knock you unscented folks out there who might want this. But I mean, for me, I honestly would never choose this. So that one we're gonna put at the bottom for now. We'll start there. And now I'm just gonna pull things out of this box at random. So here we go. All right, second, we have Winter Frost. And actually a lot of these, I don't know that I've smelled. So this is gonna be exciting for me. Ooh, I like that. It's like a little bit piney, but it's very clean, crisp, like a frosty winter morning, you might say. I mean, I always do like a good winter scent, so I'm gonna put that in B tier. All right, next up we have Freedom. It's gonna smell like America. Well, that's not what I expected. It's growing on me though. I didn't really like it at first, but I don't know what that is. It's like a little bit sweet, but a little bit musky. So like a freshly showered lumberjack. I don't know. Maybe I'll put like scent notes on these if I can find them on the screen after the fact, because these, like I said, I'm going in mostly blind here, so I don't know what this is supposed to smell like. But yeah, it's like musky, but also like a little bit candy sweetness. I don't know. So Freedom, I'm gonna put that in C tier for the moment. All right, next up we have Malanga. I don't know how to pronounce things. Wait, hang on. I said I brought the coffee beans, so now that we've had a couple scents up in this schnozzle, we gotta cleanse that bitch. Now I just want a cup of coffee. It really does work though. All right, Malanga. Oh yeah. Ooh, that's really nice. I don't even know how to describe that, but it's like a little bit spicy. Again, really clean smelling, so not too like pungent or sharp. Kind of soapy in like a really nice way. I like that a lot. Yeah, I'm gonna put it in B next to Winter Frost right now, because I like the Winter Frost a little bit more with that piney business in there. Next, we have Nocturne, which is a name that I already enjoy because I'm a pianist, and I really like Chopin, so there's nocturnes are a thing. What is that? It's mysterious. mysterious like Chopin's Nocturnes. Lightly, I want to say lightly floral in the background there, but not too over the top. Lighter than the others. This one isn't quite so punchy. All of these so far though have smelled very clean. Like nothing is too like touch of sweetness, touch of woodiness, and a touch of floral that I am detecting in that one. And hopefully I'm not like totally fucking off base on all of these because that would be embarrassing. Almost a little bit like grape. No, maybe not grape. Just like a slight touch of fruitiness. I don't know. I'm gonna put that one at C tier, but ahead of Freedom. All right, next we have the Philosopher. I guess, I don't know, should I be like coffee beaning between each scent? I probably should, eh? What was that? It was a weird... Okay, Philosopher. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Ooh, it's like a little bit, like, I want to say a little bit similar to the Winter Frost in that I detect some piney notes in there. Ooh, but I think I like this one more. Hang on, I have to put those two next to each other now to confirm my nose's ability. Oh no, it's definitely quite different than Winter Frost. Winter Frost has the pine, but is more like clean, kind of soapy forward to me, and the Philosopher one is definitely much more pine forward. So just, I mean, like you're a philosopher and you just live in the woods by yourself and you just contemplate the universe as you breathe in the luscious pine. That was really weird. But that's really fucking good. So that's going in A tier, bitch. Also, in case you're wondering, I don't think I can use 15 different Blue Lagoon texture sonics all on my own. So I am planning to probably give a couple of these to local friends. And then I'm thinking maybe I'll do like a little giveaway thing on my Instagram or something. You know, I'll have more details on that as it comes up. But yeah, I mean, like there's a lot of tonic here, so I would like to share the wealth, as it were. Anyway, next up, wait, hang on. I keep forgetting to bean it. Next, we have Bewitched, which is a show that I used to watch as a child on Nick at Night. So shout out to those of you who are as old as I am who remember that shit. Oh, that's nice. Ooh. I'm getting kind of like classic aftershave vibes, but not like that like brute shit that like everybody's grandpa wore, but like really nice aftershave. Oh yeah, a little bit of sweetness, a little spiciness, a little musk. Yeah, aftershave. That's a great aftershave. Yeah, that one's really fucking good. I'm gonna put that also in A tier. All right, now we have Deadly Nightshade, which is fitting to be chosen after the Bewitched one, because you know, witches probably used nightshade for poison. Bean. All right, Deadly Nightshade. Here we go. Ooh, very, very light. Again, clean, kind of on, like, I'm getting kind of soapy vibes here, but very, very lightly floral. I like that. It's just, these are all just very, like, balanced fragrances. More balanced than my hormones, apparently. It's a little bit of like, woodiness in there, too. Which makes sense. I like that. I think I'm gonna go... I'm gonna go C tier right now. After Nocturne, before Freedom. Next up, we have arguably one of the more metal scents, Nuclear Winter. All right. Oh, that's really good. Man. Fuck. This is getting more difficult because they're all good. Granted, I know I haven't put anything in S tier yet because I'm waiting for one to just come out and just fuck me up. Oh, that's really fucking nice though. Woody, a little bit spicy, very clean, a little soapy. And a touch cologne-y. Yeah, I like that a lot. That's going A tier. Also because it's fucking metal. All right, now we got Thrash. Oh shit, I have 45 seconds left on my camera thing. Hang on. Okay, Thrash time. This one's definitely more like, to me, on the musky, woody side. A little bit of a darker fragrance, if you will. Not quite so bright and crisp. This one is definitely more like a little heavier, I want to say. I like it still. I know that it almost has like a little bit of like, I don't know. I was gonna say like a touch of like burnt wood or something, but that's weird. I don't know if that's a thing that is in fragrances. But like a little, maybe like a little mossy. I don't know. Nice. Not my favorite though. A little too beefy for me. Not like actual beef fragrance. That would be weird. But you know what I mean. So Thrash. We're gonna. Oh, now it's in my brain because I sniffed way too hard. Thrash. We're gonna put at sea level. All right. Now we have Aventis. So I feel like I know what this one's gonna smell like. Aventis is a scent that almost every company has like a variety of, which is typically like a pineapple-y, cologne-y, like a summery fragrance going on. So we'll hang on.
Bangs, what the fuck?
Okay, now we're ready for Aventis. Yeah, smells like Aventis, which is great. Not that I've ever actually had the cologne because it's fucking outrageously expensive and I would never buy it. But it smells great. It's a little bit fruity. It's a little bit cologne-y, but it's very fresh. Definitely a very like spring summer fragrance for me. But I like that. I feel like there's like no one who wouldn't like this. So where am I gonna put that? I think we're gonna put Aventis in A tier, like at the end of A tier, just because it's very versatile and I feel like everybody could like that. So like you can't go wrong with that one. Now we got Havoc, which is a very cool name. Ooh. Spicy! Very, like, cinnamon, kind of smells like mulled wine, but without the wine part. Like all the spices that you would put in mulled wine. Definitely a wintry fragrance. I actually like that a lot. Definitely spicy. This one's definitely more, like, punchy than the other ones. I don't know. It's hard because they're all good. Like, none of these are bad. I think we're going to put that in B tier. Bane. All right, 3 to go. Now we got Alien Spit, which I don't know. Oh, abduct me with that shit, bitch. Well, that smells fucking great. I wasn't sure what to expect with a name like Alien Spit, to be honest with you, but man, oh, I don't even know how to describe that. It's like a little bit powdery. It's a little bit, not like overly sweet, a little powder, a little floral, very clean, crisp. That smells really fucking good though. So that, man, I think we're gonna put that in A tier. All right. 2 left. We have Macro Solution and Demigod. So we're going to go with Macro Solution first. Okay. Fruity. Not the same like fruitiness of like the Aventis per se. This one is a little more, almost, I feel like this one is almost a little more like refined than, I don't know if that's the right word. Because it's similar to Aventis in that like it's a little bit fruity and it's a little bit cologne-y, but it's crisp and clean. Definitely more of like, I feel like a warm weather fragrance. But yeah. That's just really fucking nice. And it's not overpowering. All right, before we rank that one, let's nose into Demigod. I saved this one for last because I feel like this has the most badass name. And I have no idea what it's gonna smell like. So here we go. Oh, fuck me up. It might be the best for last. Oh, holy shit. Well, that lives up to the name. Oh, yeah. It's almost like like little elements of everything. Like it's got a little bit of fruitiness and a little bit spiciness. On like the back end, like that's what you get first. And then it kind of settles into this clean, like not overly cologne-y, but like just enough. I don't know. Oh, that's really fucking good. Shit, man. This is difficult. All right, we gotta smell those two again. God, Macro Solution is really fucking good too. Yeah, Demigod is S tier, bitch. Yep, that's going up. As well it should be with a name like Demigod. Macro Solution though. Oh, that may also be S tier. Like, it's really fucking good. I feel like that's another one that like no one could dislike. And more so than Aventis. So this one, yeah, Macro Solution, we're going S tier. Demigod ahead of Macro Solution for me, but yeah. I kind of want to revisit Freedom again real fast, because I feel like there was something about that I was on the tip of my brain that I wasn't really getting, like, the words out. It kind of makes me think of, like, a Bomb Pop. Like, kind of cherry, kind of citrus, kind of that weird blue raspberry flavor that nobody knows what it really is, but it's in, like, America stuff. I actually... The more I smell that, the more I like it. I don't know. I wouldn't want to use that all the time, though, because it is pretty sweet. So we'll leave that at C tier. Oh, I kind of really fucking love Alien Spit, though. It, like... The more I smell it, the more I'm just getting, like, slight other note. Like, there's a little bit of... I don't know, kind of cypressy business going on in there, maybe? Really kind of like that. I really kind of like that. I mean, it is in A tier already. I think I'm gonna move. I gotta move that ahead of Aventis. Yeah. All right. I think that's enough. My nose is. Several of you have requested like a scent reaction compilation. This wasn't exactly that, because obviously I didn't want to have ridiculous reactions to 15 scents in a row. That would just be a little over the top. But it's the first time we've had 15 scent reactions in one video, so that's definitely something. But all in all, I think the main takeaway here is that none of these are bad. I mean, I know I put poor Mr. Unscented Man down there in F tier, but that's only there because that's like not for me. Like I don't care for unscented products. I always like them to smell like something. But really, these are all great. They're all, I feel like, meticulous. Like they're all very balanced. Some of them are a little bit similar to one another in like, you know, there's a few fruity ones and a few kind of more cologne-y aftershave-y ones and a few more like musky woody ones. But yeah, these are all fantastic. So regardless of what you may be into, I think you can find something here. And the fact that you can put it on, you know, any one of these pomades or tonics here is pretty fucking cool. And I know that this is a very popular event for them. So thanks again, Steve, for sending me all these. This is really cool. I really enjoyed doing this. If you guys want to see me do like more tier list type of stuff, I think that would be fun once in a while. So yeah, if you want more of that, leave a comment and shit. But yeah, other than that, that wraps this one up. Like I said, I am planning on doing like some kind of a giveaway for some of these. So just keep your eye on my Instagram and community tab for that. And as always, please do stay tuned. I have lots more content coming up real soon. One thing I'm really excited about, I'm going to do like a comprehensive review / comparison of the new Shark Hyper Air Dryer versus the Dyson. I think that's something that no one's done yet for some reason. And I think people will like it. So if you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with all that stuff. And as always, thank you so much for coming by and watching. And we'll see you at the next one.